This week, we could not do much outside because of the thick smoke in the air from the Canadian wildfires, so I did a few extra fun things indoors. Walking on the treadmill was a great way to get exercise inside out of the smoky air. Coloring is fun, even for adults. Reading is one of my favorite pastimes, and this author is one that I really enjoy. I found this snack at Walmart. They taste really good, and they are both gluten and dairy-free. Because of the smoke in the air, I did not exercise the horses as it would not be good for their lungs.